In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy ElevenLabs with a credit card. Before we dive in, remember to use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. It helps support our channel and makes this content possible. Let's get started. First, when you're on the ElevenLabs website, you'll want to look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click, and this will bring up a list of options related to your account. From these options, you'll need to select Subscription. This is your gateway to unlocking all the features that ElevenLabs has to offer. Once you've clicked on Subscription, you'll see a variety of options laid out for you. ElevenLabs offers different tiers of service, tailored to suit the varying needs of its users. Take a moment to review these options and decide which subscription plan best suits your needs. Do you need advanced features? Or are the basic ones just enough for your current projects? After thinking it over, click on the Subscribe button for your chosen plan. As you proceed, you'll be asked to make a choice about how you'd like to handle payments, yearly or monthly. This is an important decision, as opting for yearly payments usually comes with a discount that can save you some money over the entire term. It's a great opportunity to keep those costs down if you know you'll be using the service long term. Once you've settled on your preferred payment frequency, the next step is straightforward. The system will prompt you to enter your credit card details. Make sure you have your card ready for a smooth process. Double-check your details before submitting them to avoid any delays or issues with processing your payment. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully subscribed to ElevenLabs using your credit card. This process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that purchasing a subscription is quick and effortless. If you followed along and completed these steps, you're now ready to explore everything ElevenLabs has to offer. Whether you're a new user or an existing one upgrading your plan, this guide should serve you well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and tech tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues during your subscription process, feel free to reach out in the comments below. We're here to help and ensure you have the best experience possible with ElevenLabs. Enjoy the new features access and happy creating.